The Timex Unisex Weekender 38mm watch is a classic and versatile timepiece that is suitable for both men and women. With a 38mm case size, this watch has a timeless design that is both stylish and functional. The watch features a white dial with Arabic numerals and a 24-hour military time display, making it easy to read the time at a glance. The Indiglo nightlight feature also ensures that the watch can be easily read in low-light conditions. The watch comes with a slip-through nylon strap that is easily interchangeable, allowing you to customize the look of your watch to suit your style. The strap is available in a variety of colors and patterns, so you can choose the one that best suits your preferences. The Timex Unisex Weekender 38mm watch is a popular timepiece that combines classic styling with modern functionality. It has a simple and elegant design with a round white dial and black Arabic numerals, and a durable brass case that measures 38mm in diameter. The watch is powered by a reliable quartz movement and features a date display at the 3 o'clock position. The Weekender 38mm is designed to be versatile and comfortable to wear, with a quick-release strap system that allows you to easily switch out the nylon slip-through strap for a different one to match your style or outfit. The strap is also adjustable, so you can find the perfect fit for your wrist. One of the key features of the Timex Weekender 38mm is its Indiglo nightlight, which illuminates the entire dial at the press of a button, making it easy to read the time in low-light conditions. The watch is also water-resistant up to 30 meters, which means it can withstand splashes of water and rain, but should not be worn while swimming or diving. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button, bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the products. Links.